हेलो हेलो एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम। बस 5 मिनट का ये फोर्थ एपिसोड है। मैं सोच रही थी कल रात को कि जब हम फ्राइडे को ये रिकॉर्ड करते हैं तो इट सीम्स कि जो नेक्स्ट एपिसोड आएगा वो अभी तो एक हफ़्ता पड़ा है, आराम से वी कैन थिंक अबाउट टॉपिक्स ऑफ व्हाट टू से एंड देन सडनली लाइक द नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे इज़ देयर, पलक झपकते एंड जस्ट फ्रॉम द टर्म्स ऑफ के हम जब कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ टाइम के बारे में हमने फर्स्ट एपिसोड में भी बात की थी। इट वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू मी कि कुछ टाइम जो है वो पूरे हफ्ते का टाइम इतनी जल्दी गुजर जाता है एंड देन देयर इज़ टाइम दैट जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल माइक्रोवेव का 1 मिनट जो है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा लंबा हो जाता है। सो जस्ट सॉर्ट ऑफ थॉट आई शेयर विद यू। दूसरा, आई थिंक हमने लास्ट वीक आप लोगों से कहा था कि आज हम बात करेंगे अबाउट द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशनल्स और मेंटल हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशनल्स, एक्सेप्ट दैट पिछले हफ्ते मेरे 2 या 3 ऐसे पेशेंट्स आए हैं दैट हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट ऑलमोस्ट वन काइंड ऑफ थिंग एंड आई फेल्ट के it's important that I address it a little bit, कि मैं आप लोगों के साथ भी शेयर करूं। तो ये जो 2-3 मरीज़ थे, एक one was an adolescent, एक teenager, एक was a 32-year-old, one was a 40-some-year-old female, and all three of them were very very concerned or very upset or very sad, despondent, hopeless कि हमें अब तक तो ज़िंदगी में we should have done this, लेकिन देखें नहीं हो पाया है। I have not been able to achieve this or I have not been able to do this and I should have and it hasn't happened and that's why I'm feeling hopeless and disappointed. जो मैं हमेशा हर एक से कहती हूँ और आपसे भी आज कह रही हूँ कि I don't think that there are any shoulds in life. The way I think about this is कि जब हम बड़े होते हैं तो हमें कह दिया जाता है कि this is life. We are told that life is like this and it's almost like life exists in these concentric circles जिनके structures हैं, जिनके boundaries हैं, and within that ये life है और आपको जो है get married or get a job or go to this university, have fun, vacations पे जाएं, have kids, and enjoy life. But this it's designed for us that these are the circles within which life exists, so live life like this. And I feel that's very confining. I feel that the important thing, एक चीज़ जो हम सब अगर याद रख सकते हैं या something that we can think about is कि ये जो हमें बताया गया कि this is what life is, this is also created by humans, other men, other women. Man-made hai. It's a man-made or a woman-made sort of idea about life, and these men and women are no smarter than us, than you, than anybody else. So one can actually think about life differently. One can think about how do I want to live my life. Can I poke these जो boundaries हैं, and can I do something different? Can I influence these boundaries? अगर मैं इसको poke करती हूँ तो दूसरी तरफ से life will bulge out, तो उसको मैं किस तरीके से how can I mold it? So I feel this idea of that life, we can change it, we can embrace it differently, we can influence it in our own ways. We can, don't have to go by the rules that have been decided for us, but we can actually, make an impact in our own little ways, in our own little circles of influence that are a little bit different, and it's all right. There is no reason to navigate life उसके अपने structures के अंदर, उसके अपने concentric circles के अंदर, but build something new, create something new, and stop thinking that life was designed for you by someone else and you have to manage it within those own constraints. So we're going to end today. I just wanted to leave you with this thought. Next time we will talk about the different kind of mental health professionals, because we had said that we would, but again my thought was that there are no sort of necessarily 100% rules here, we've got to follow a certain script. जैसे चीज़ें आएंगी, आप लोग कुछ लिखेंगे, आप कुछ हमें बताएंगे कि this is what you want to think about or talk about, then we'll talk about that in next time as well. So in the meantime, apna khayal rakhein, take care of yourself, stay curious, enjoy life, keep asking questions, and as we keep saying, memento vivere, which is remember to live. Khuda Hafiz.